Do you know why it's recommended to eat almonds daily? You might think they're just another type of nut, but the truth is, this small seed hides behind it incredible health benefits you may have never heard of. Strangely, many people don't talk about these benefits, and we don't really know why they're being overlooked. Yes, it's almonds, that delicious snack that can make a real difference in your health. Almonds aren't just tasty, they're a treasure packed with essential vitamins and minerals your body needs. Let's explore their amazing benefits and why they deserve a regular spot in your daily routine. Please tell us in the comments which country you're watching from. We'd love to know who's most interested in helpful, valuable content. In today's video, we'll share with you the incredible yet often overlooked benefits of almonds, their amazing link to heart health, their support for skin health, and the big surprise, their impact on fertility and intimacy for both men and women. I think you get what we mean by this special benefit. So let's begin. 1. Strengthening the body. Almonds are rich in zinc, an essential element for the formation of enzymes and DNA. This vital mineral helps renew cells, build strong bones and teeth, and promotes healthy and proper growth. 2. Boosting the immune system. Almonds contain vitamin B2, riboflavin, which helps strengthen the immune system, improve skin and eye health, and reduce the chances of getting sick or suffering from seasonal allergies. It's a great natural choice for supporting your immunity. 3. Lowering cholesterol and protecting the heart. Eating almonds regularly helps reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and enhances heart health thanks to its antioxidants and healthy fats. It lowers the risk of heart disease and improves blood circulation. Maintaining brain health. Almonds are important for brain health because they contain high amounts of riboflavin and carnitine. These nutrients play a key role in supporting healthy brain activity, preventing cognitive decline, and reducing inflammation in the brain. 5. Strengthening bones and teeth. Almonds are a rich source of calcium and magnesium, two key minerals needed to maintain strong bones and healthy teeth, and to lower the risk of osteoporosis with age. 6. Supporting skin health. You might wonder, what do nuts have to do with skin health? The secret is in vitamin E, which is abundantly found in almonds. It acts as an antioxidant that protects your skin from sun damage, reduces wrinkles, and gives your skin a natural glow and healthy radiance. 7. Enhancing intimacy for men and women. Yes, this is the special benefit we mentioned. Almonds help in the production of testosterone in men, thanks to their sufficient levels of zinc. Zinc is essential for hormone production, and low testosterone levels can lead to performance issues. I think you understand what we mean here. It's also worth noting that almonds are a good source of selenium, which is another important nutrient for maintaining reproductive health in men. According to some sources, walnuts may also positively affect fertility and reproductive health in both men and women, due to their richness in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Adding a handful of almonds to your daily diet might be one of the best health decisions you ever make. It's not just a snack, it's a key to stronger health and a better life. Don't forget to share your opinion with us. Are you a fan of almonds? And if you already eat them, how do you prefer to enjoy them? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family so everyone can benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to your channel Towards Better Life to receive all that's new and useful.